Hey guys, hope you're doing well. So I want to talk a little about something different today. It's about actually starting a YouTube channel. I've got a couple. I've got a baseball channel. It's called 161 River Ave, and it's a Yankee specific channel. I've got over 10,000 followers there. And I've got this one as well, top of the line running. Now there are different, classifications or just different genres or different niches, obviously. And the baseball one has a worldwide following, and it's got a different. I carry a different philosophy there, but I want to talk about starting a running YouTube channel, especially without any equipment. All I have is this microphone and the laptop that I speak into, and that's it. And what I rely on is 2+ decades of coaching experience, and as a former competitive runner as well. So, and that's what I want to, kind of emphasize today. If you're going to start a YouTube channel and you happen to be a runner or a coach, specifically a coach, on some things that I've learned over the last, my channel is over 2 years old now. It is not monetized, yet. It's on its way, but would I love it to be monetized? Sure, but I'm not doing it for the money. I'm doing it personally to make difference in people's lives and help people become better runners. And there's nothing more rewarding than having people actually reach out to me either through YouTube or Instagram or whatnot, which is also top of the line running, and let me know how helpful a video was, or can I coach them? And because I picked up quite a few people along the way that have the fortunate privilege to be able to coach with success. So, but in terms of starting a YouTube channel, I just have a couple things I want to point out and I hope you find it helpful. Number one is, why are you starting this channel? And be clear about why you want to start this channel. Me personally, like I said, I want to take all the information I have that I've learned and then translate it here on YouTube and share it with as many people in the running community as possible, because the fact is, not many people have, not everybody, I should say, not everybody has access to the top world's coaches or the world's top coaches. And I want to give, and I've got 300+ videos on here for free that I want to share with people so that they can learn, whether you're a coach or an aspiring coach or an athlete, you coach yourself, or just a runner who's just a student of the sport like I was before I became a coach. I want to share as much insight as I possibly can to help as many people as I possibly can. And that's the bottom line for me. And if along the way the channel becomes monetized, great. And, and that's why, one of the first things that I ask, or at some point in a video, I ask people to subscribe to the channel. If all it takes is pressing the subscribe button and the notification button to get you access to 300 videos that could change your life, I would ask that you do it. Even if here, watching this video now, even if you don't plan on watching my video, or following my channel, and you want to start a YouTube channel of your own, please subscribe and hit the notification, because it's really helpful to the channel's growth itself. And then YouTube starts to filter its algorithm as well. So, and I would do the same. And you let me know in the comments that you subscribed. And if you're starting a channel, I'd be happy to support yours as well. So, and don't be afraid to ask, and that's and be clear about why you're starting a channel. And like I said, I'm here to share as much insight and knowledge that I've learned over the past 2 decades plus as a former competitive runner, and I learned from some of the best physiotherapists and musculoskeletal therapists and coaches around the world. I am a USATF certified coach as well. I'm a Wharton trained and certified musculoskeletal flexibility therapist too, and I want to share all that insight with you guys and gals. So, what are your goals with the channel? Being clear about that as well, and that's similar to what are you trying to do here? Why are you starting the channel? My goals again are to help as many people improve, learn some things as a coach, figure out, maybe create their own, build their own philosophy, their own kind of system throughout the years. That's what I've done. I learned from some of the best coaches, and I built my own program that that's got your meat and potatoes of structure, and then a lot of individualized components to address the different needs of the runners that you might work with. That's the other thing, communication, showing that you're willing to communicate and learn from your athletes as much as they would learn from you. So, and again, don't be afraid to ask for a subscription and a notification. It doesn't cost anybody anything, but that's all it takes to really get your channel up and running. So, and again, in my personal opinion too, make it about your audience, not yourself. I'm here to help you get better. This is about you. You're clicking on my running channel because you want to learn something. Here's some information for you. I don't do flashy stuff. I'll be happy to videotape workouts with athletes and stuff like that, but those workouts might not apply to you. I love watching world-class runners do workouts. Does it apply to you? Not really. That's why I want to give you everything you need to hopefully get you to that point, or to get you from wherever you are to the next level. And that's why I put 300 videos plus out, and I'm going to continue to put out more videos. So, And again, about you guys. This is about you and your enjoyment of the videos and learning something of value. And everything I put out, I've used on my athletes with success, which is why I want to share them with you guys. So, and it's up to you to decide how you want to plug things in. That's why I also put fully detailed training programs, so you could actually plug things in however you feel is appropriate as a coach or an athlete. So, and again, like I said, monetized is nice, but making a difference to me is most important. And communicating that message to me has been helpful. And again, it's been 2 years, and I'm not monetized, or the channel's not monetized. So I hope it gets there. I'm not that far, so I hope that you'll support it by subscribing. And I want as many people to take advantage of this content as possible. It's not flashy, but the content is on the money. The content is top notch. That I know, and that I'm very confident of. That's why I keep putting out videos for people to learn from. Okay, and I've gotten personalized coaching clients, and they'll speak for themselves. They'll tell you how accessible I am, and how easy it is. I just shoot training programs out regularly. They have full access to me, and if you're going to start a running channel, you're a coach, it's something that would be probably a good idea to consider as well. Another thing is being consistent with uploads. Okay, if you're going to upload videos, doing them on a consistent basis, and then eventually learning the analytics of your channel, so you know exactly when the best time of day to upload videos. So the majority of your followers, supporters, can access the videos. They're watching YouTube at that time. So checking analytics as well is a key. But uploading consistent, accurate data, and being genuine and honest. Just saying, this is me. I'm not a famous coach. Okay, and I know a lot of people like to see, or rather listen to famous coaches. But again, what I'm putting out here is not only applicable to world-class athletes, but it's applicable to the masses. And there's a lot more of the masses than there are world-class athletes. So if you want to start a running YouTube channel, or a YouTube channel in general, don't be afraid to ask people to subscribe to your channel, even if they don't plan on watching all your videos. Okay, if it's a running channel, make sure the content is good and accurate. Don't be afraid to share details. I'm happy to share stuff as a coach. I don't care if other coaches utilize the workouts to help make their athletes better. That's the whole point of the channel. I want other people to get better with the content that I'm sharing, and maybe you'll find something here that you find valuable. So I wanted to share this today, and let me know what you think. And again, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so. And let me know in the comments that you did. And let me know if you plan on starting a YouTube channel of your own, or if you already have one. Okay? But that's it. I'm going to continue to put out videos. Thanks so much for your time, guys, and I'll talk to you next time.